These are my preparation for the jollof rice. These are my meat stock. So very soon I'll be adding my rice, my washed rice. I'll be adding it in here. So okay, I've added my meat stock. So I'm washing my rice to be adding on it. And there's fish inside. I have to. Oops. We are adding our rice now. Okay, let me bring up my fish. Then I'll add my rice. Soaked with hot water. I'm adding my rice now. I've already added my rice. I soaked my rice with hot water, then washed. I'm adding my rice in here. At this point,